So you just got, or you're thinking about getting the Ryobi variable speed jigsaw corded. Let's look at some of the features. Comes with a carrying case. Everything is all bagged up. Comes with a guide or a fence.
Comes with 3 blades and an Allen wrench.
It comes with 2 smooth wood cuts or 1 fine metal cut. Variable speed indicator. Faster for steel. Soft pine. Particle board. Wafer board. Plastics or hardwood. And metal.
It also has a hand-saving trigger lock and an easy, tool-less blade change. Just swing the lock to the side and pop in the blade. The Jigsaw also includes a 1.5-inch vacuum port for a dust collection. And what Ryobi product would be complete without an LED light to light your work? Use the Allen wrench to adjust the sled for miter cuts. The quick release blade change warrants repeating. And plus the easy to install guide or fence. The Ryobi Variable Speed Jigsaw. For more Ryobi product tool tips and recommendations, click the link on your screen now.